Good morning, students. Let's start the session 7 of fractions, day 16, 7th max. So, today we are going to learn about multiplication of fraction with a fraction. In the last session, we have learned about the butterfly method for addition and subtraction of fractions, which was the easiest method to add or subtract any fraction. So now let's multiply two fractions given here. First one is 2 by 3, second one is 1 by 5. So here we have to multiply these two fractions. So to multiply the given two fractions, you have to simply multiply the numerators separately, that is here. For 2 by 3 numerator is 2, 1 by 5 numerator is 1. So we are multiplying numerator with numerator. 2 into 1 or 2 ones are 2. You can read it like that. Similarly, take the denominators of both the given fractions. So here 3 is the denominator of the first fraction and 5 is the denominator of the second fraction. So you are multiplying both the denominators and writing here. See, 3 5s are 15. That's it. Okay. So when you have to multiply two fractions, multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, and then simply get it into simplest form. So here again we'll see 7 by 2 into 1 by 3. So what are the numerators here? Yes, 7 and 1. So 7 ones are 7. Similarly, what are the denominators? Yes, 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. That's it. Hope you understood. So now we'll see method of division of a fraction with a fraction. So how to divide when two fractions are given. Suppose we are taking the same example, 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. So you have to divide here. When you have to divide, just simply reciprocate the second fraction and change the division symbol into multiplication. So when you reciprocate, that is, suppose here we are having 1 by 5. What we are writing here? 5 by 1. The first fraction will not change. The first fraction will remain the same. Okay, see here 2 by 3 and here also 2 by 3. It doesn't change. Only the second fraction and the division symbol will change. So division is converted into multiplication and the second fraction is converted into its reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Numerator changes to denominator and denominator changes to numerator. Then multiplication, as we have done in the earlier case, numerator into numerator, 2 5s are 10, and denominator into denominator, that is 3 1s are 3. So let's see another example, 7 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So first fraction is written as it is, same, no change in first fraction. For division it comes into changes to multiplication. And the second fraction will convert into reciprocal, that is here 1 by 3, no? So here we have to write 3 by 1. Then multiply both the fractions here. Multiplication, no? We have learned how to multiply fractions. So what are the numerators here? 7 3s are 21. And denominators 2 1s are 2. So this is the method for the division of a fraction with a fraction. That is when two fractions are given. They may be proper or improper. This is the method how you have to multiply and divide fractions. So today's homework is multiply the following fractions. That is 2 by 5 into 3 by 9. If you can convert it into the simplest form. How do you do that? If you have any common factors, you have to cancel them. So multiply all these 4 fractions, and this is for division. You have to divide all the 4 fractions. So this is your homework for today.